To make sure that AeroDump-ng will work fine with you, I'm gonna show you another way to make this tool work fine. As I have told you before, my external wireless adapter, it's from Ralink company, and to get that just write AirMonNG. So the chipset of my wireless adapter, it's from Ralink Technology, and for that, just to make sure the adapter is having all drivers installed, you need to write apt get install firmware Ralink. So for you, if it's something different, just you need to find the correct name for your adapter. Okay, then we can write fconfig as we have seen in the previous lecture. We'll make it down, then iwconfig WLAN 0 mode monitor monitor, then we'll make it up. If we check now iwconfig alone, yes, the mode become monitor. Now we can write AeroDump-ng and the wireless adapter name. Okay, here we go.